The nature marbles have returned, as it is time for the second annual marble nature race, as we have 11 competitors, and we'll see who will be crowned our champion, and the last marble will be eliminated. Here is our competitors. We have Rainbow, Unicorn, Enchanted Forest, Ice Queen, Jungle, Dragon, Fire, Arctic, Water, Wizard, and Sunrise. Sunrise fell. 11 marbles, and here we go. And Rainbow is going to take the lead. Ice Queen is struggling in the black funnel. And now Unicorn takes the lead. And Enchanted Forest is going to finish first. Wizard and Ice Queen got stuck in the gauntlet. But it was a trick, as Arctic is eliminated first. Ten marbles remain. Dragon takes the lead. Ice Queen is struggling again in the black funnel. Now Sunrise is going to take the lead. And Water fell off the loop. And this time Fire is going to finish first. And this time Ice Queen will be eliminated. Nine marbles remain. And Dragon's going to take the lead, and Fire and Rainbow fell off. And now Enchanted Forest is going to finish first. As you can Fire, Unicorn, and Rainbow. And Fire and Rainbow are safe, as Unicorn is eliminated. Dragon takes the lead again. And now Rainbow takes the lead. Dragon got stuck in the loop. And Fire's going to finish first once again. And this time Jungle will be eliminated. Seven marbles remain. And Fire is going to take the lead. Wizard and Water were struggling. And now Rainbow steals it. Dragon got stuck in the loop. Rainbow's going to finish first, followed by Fire, Sunrise, Wizard, Dragon, and finally Enchanted Forest, as Water is eliminated. Six marbles remain. Rainbow takes the lead. And now Fire steals it. And Sunrise is going to finish first, and after had so many leads, Fire is eliminated. Five marbles remain. And Enchanted Forest is going to take the lead, followed by Wizard, Rainbow, Sunrise, and finally Dragon, who is struggling. And Sunrise got stuck in the gauntlet. Enchanted Forest finishes first, followed by Rainbow, then Wizard. Is between Dragon and Sunrise for the last spot for the Final Four, and Dragon takes it, as Sunrise will be eliminated. Now it's time for our Final Four, as we have Enchanted Forest, Rainbow, Wizard, and Dragon. Wizard takes the lead, followed by Rainbow, Enchanted Forest, and finally Dragon, who is struggling once again. Now Rainbow takes the lead. Dragon fell off the loop. This is going to be bad for him. Rainbow finishes first, followed by Wizard, and then Enchanted Forest, as Dragon is eliminated and finishes in fourth. So now it's between Rainbow, Wizard, and Enchanted Forest. Wizard takes the lead, followed by Rainbow, and then Enchanted Forest. It's going to be close. And after Wizard got stuck in the gauntlet, he will be eliminated and will finish in third. So all that's left for our final is the Rainbow and Enchanted Forest. Oh, that's not good. Sorry about that, the marbles fell off. Alright. Who will be crowned of the second marble elimination race? Enchanted Forest takes the lead, Rainbow trying to catch up. Enchanted Forest is still in the lead, he could be our champion. And he will! Enchanted Forest is our Marble Nature themed champion, with Rainbow as our runner-up. Now as we head into our audience, here is the Enchanted Forest section.